AskDART. How do I find my future bus route or service? With DART's new bus network going into effect on January 24, 2022, you may be asking where your new bus stops will be, what routes will you ride, and how can you use GoLink? Here's a quick tutorial to help you out. First things first, go to dartzoom.org. Once there, click on Find My New Route. Here, you will find two options to help you identify what changes are impacting your transit trip. Your first option is a conversion chart. Click on View New Bus Routes, and you will see a list of every current bus route and what new routes or GoLink service will replace them. Simply click on your route number, and it will jump to that route on the table. For example, Route 504 from downtown Irving to Dallas College North Lake campus. This route is changing to the Central Irving GoLink zone. You can click on the link for the Central Irving GoLink map located in the new corresponding route column. If you prefer a more visual tool, click on the View Interactive map. Here, you can enter any address and find the service that will be closest to that location. You can also switch between the existing network and the new network to compare service. The color of the new network bus route line indicates the approximate weekday, midday frequency in that location. A yellow shaded area shows that the location will be served by GoLink. Click on the bus route or GoLink zone, and a pop-up tells you the new bus route number or GoLink zone name in that location. We hope this helps you prepare for the service changes ahead. For more information on DART's new bus network, please visit dartzoom.org.